Say hello to the mic.
Yo, what's good, bro?
So Kylie, we're gonna let 957 on the field first, and we are going to line up opposite of 2521.
Oh, is that why you were? Oh.
That's why we'll let 957 on first.
And then from there, Jack, you're gonna be cycling on the left, and then us are in bare metal are cycling here on the right. And then we'll be stealing in the off swarm. We'll be stealing in the off shift, and then we'll come over, score that, and cycle and shuttle into the line. So, right beyond.
So you want us to cycle mid shift?
Bare metal.
Because we're not really good at splitting the field usually. Like we can keep in mind priorities of like travel, but we kind of just go wherever the densest like pocket of balls is, right?
Okay, yeah.
I think they're going to be in the middle mostly.
So cycling
on the left
middle.
side.
We'll probably stick to the edges. Some.
Yeah, I mean, we'll definitely favor left because we're tri-station 1, but
Yeah.
And we'll stay right.
well, I mean, we'll just do a mix test too. It's
We'll
like
stick to right as well. Let you guys do Jack in the Box things. I don't know what we call it swarming. I'm not sure what you guys call it. So.
Oh, I see.
I mean, they're gonna do their thing too.
What? Are you guys planning on doing cleanup at all on the alliance wall or no?
Probably not. Like
We
usually
on
wait
the
till
way
end
back
game.
from passing, we might like clean up the back.
Oh no, that's fine.
We'll see.
So are you talking about like this back wall?
We just want to make sure we're not colliding.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
fair
During
enough.
our scoring period, we want to take from the neutral zone, and you guys can take along the back wall.
That's all good. Okay.
Yeah. No climbs, right?
No.
No climbs.
Not unless you guys have a secret climb.
Oh,
Secret climb.
yeah. Maybe. We'll think about it.
I've heard a rumor that if you get all 6 ranking points, we unlock a secret 7th one. I'm not sure I doubt that's true, but that's a rumor I've heard.
What's the 7th one?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I think we've gotten all 6 yet.
I don't know.
I don't think 4.
What's this?
And then potentially that.
Right.
Don't forget.
That 135 with what?
Counts with bumpers and
30, isn't 135 the limit with bumpers and batteries?
No, it's 150.
Is now that's with spare parts.
That might be with everything.
That's with spare parts. Okay. Do you have anything on how pushable they are?
We'll try it.
They play stealing defense, so they're gonna steal from our side and then bump into you.
Steal from our line zone?
Yeah, but that's not like.
Did they herd or how did they steal?
No, they collect.
They collect? Have they ever herded? Have you seen that?
Not
You don't know? Okay, I'll talk to Geeta. Okay. Anything?
Make neutral zones like this.
Yeah. Anything to note about them?
Just working.
All right. I'm gonna see. Watch how pushing works. I think that might work.
So we're collecting and coming back in the left on the left trench transition.
Left trench transition.
And
Yeah,
if-
remind me like speed for bumper.
If there's
versus
like a
trench.
fire clump and a close clump, we're taking the close one.
Okay.
Our metal will take the fire.
Thumbs up, drivers behind the lines in 3.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. As you're getting ready for the competition season, think AndyMark as your one-stop shop for all your team needs. AndyMark's Launcher in a Box is a configurable solution that so many teams are finding success with for the rebuilt season. Also available at AndyMark.com, the AMPD AndyMark power distribution board that provides 24 40-amp independently fused output channels for safe, reliable power distribution. That's AndyMark.com.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Formation match 48 underway. So you know a tough one for our Alliance. Plenty of opportunity. We've seen some awesome robot action.
Far?
Let's do this on the,
This
on the
and
left,
then to the right.
Just take the left and then come back.
Okay.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Now
2, 1.
Passing?
Yep. 17, 15, 14, 13, 12, Stay to the left. 10, 9. Go up and come back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Get in position. Shoot. Neutral zone. Yep, nice. 10, 9, 8, 7. Shoot. Yep. You can collect some here and shoot. Yeah. Right, passing left wall, left wall, left wall. Pass. Don't stop there, yeah. 9, 8. Just fill up and get in position. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Shoot. Behind our hub. Behind our hub. Left wall is pretty good. 15, 14, 15, 12. No, we need to shoot. We need to shoot. Shoot. It's our, we're active. We're active till the end. Left wall's pretty good. Yeah. All right, come back. Get back. Coming back. 18 left of the match. Come back to the left. Shoot this, and then we got a bunch in the corner. Okay, in the corner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. All right. Let's go. Hey, good job.
I don't know what happened.
It's all good. It's all good.
Good job.
Collection could have been smoother, but
New Alliance victory in that match.
Penalty free, baby!
Oh, that match minus from Red Alliance earns the 1 ranking point for Energized. And Blue Alliance walks away with 5 ranking points.
Oh!
Yeah.
We're gonna 5-match turnaround. Do you want to do that?
Do we have one pre-made?
That was good through the
I think we
D.
do.
Okay, it's definitely
They were on you like
very
the
nice.
whole time. It was good through the D.
Yeah.
Intel is good.
Yeah.
Good job, David.
Yeah, collection could have been
I
better.
was just kidding. I was just
Based on our
No, but I'm serious.
Please don't.
No, there's like a half pass that probably could have been kept,
Looks like 768 with the numbers.
and then the collection.
The double meeting.
That's a playoffs. Can't
Yeah.
get to the 800s.
How's the start?
Yeah.
It's so good.
I mean, we'll definitely take a look at it.
I can't really tell. Whatever.
That comeback on the second over the bump,
Yeah.
it's pretty. It's pretty close to the hub.
Yeah. Well, I didn't hit the hub, right?
It did not.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. As you're getting ready for the competition season, think AnyMark as your one-stop shop for all your team needs. AnyMark's Launcher in a Box is a configurable solution that so many teams are finding success with for the rebuilt season. Also available at anymark.com, the AMPD AnyMark power distribution board that provides 24 40 amp independently fused output channels for safe, reliable power distribution. That's anymark.com.